How to quickly and naturally treat a sinus infection, a comprehensive guide. Sinus infections can take a toll on your energy, productivity, and overall well-being. The good news? You don't have to suffer through it. With the right natural remedies and lifestyle changes, you can quickly and effectively treat a sinus infection and get back to feeling your best. In this comprehensive guide, we'll outline the best ways to naturally treat a sinus infection and provide practical tips for avoiding future infections. You'll learn about the different types of sinus infections and their symptoms, the most effective natural treatments and remedies, and the lifestyle changes you can make to improve your sinus health. Watch on to get the information you need to get rid of your sinus infection and stay healthy. What is a sinus infection? A sinus infection, also known as sinusitis, is an inflammation of the sinuses caused by an infection. The sinuses are air-filled cavities in the skull that are lined with mucous membranes and are connected to the nose. When these membranes become inflamed, they can cause a buildup of mucus, leading to a sinus infection. The most common types of sinus infections are acute sinusitis and chronic sinusitis. Acute sinusitis is generally caused by a viral or bacterial infection and usually lasts for less than 4 weeks. Chronic sinusitis is a more serious condition that can last for months or even years. It is usually caused by allergies or structural problems in the sinus cavities. Symptoms of a sinus infection. The symptoms of a sinus infection can vary depending on the type of infection and the individual. The most common symptoms include 1. Facial pain or pressure. 2. Nasal congestion. 3. Postnasal drip. 4. Thick, green or yellow discharge from the nose. 5. Bad breath. 6. Loss of smell or taste. 7. Cough. 8. Headache. 9. Fatigue. In more severe cases, sinus infections can also cause fever, sore throat, ear pain, and difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is important to seek medical attention. Types of sinus infections. There are 4 main types of sinus infections. 1. Acute sinusitis. This is the most common type of sinus infection, lasting for less than 4 weeks. 1. It is usually caused by a viral or bacterial infection. 2. Subacute sinusitis. This type of sinus infection lasts for 4 to 8 weeks. 2. It is usually caused by a viral or bacterial infection. 3. Chronic sinusitis. This type of sinus infection can last for months or even years. 3. It is usually caused by allergies or structural problems in the sinus cavities. 4. Recurrent sinusitis. This type of infection is characterized by repeated episodes of acute sinusitis. 4. It is usually caused by a bacterial infection. Causes of sinus infections. The most common cause of sinus infections is a viral or bacterial infection. Other potential causes include allergies, structural problems in the sinus cavities, smoking, a weakened immune system, and environmental irritants such as air pollution and dry air. Natural treatment options. When it comes to treating a sinus infection, there are several natural options available. These include herbal remedies, steam inhalation, and nasal irrigation. Herbal remedies such as eucalyptus, peppermint, and ginger can help to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and soothe the sinuses. Steam inhalation can help to clear the sinuses and reduce congestion. Nasal irrigation, also known as nasal washing, is a great way to flush out mucus and debris from the sinuses. Home remedies for sinus infections. In addition to the natural treatments mentioned above, there are several home remedies that can help to relieve the symptoms of a sinus infection. These include 1. Drinking plenty of fluids. Staying hydrated is essential for sinus health. 1. Drinking plenty of fluids can help to thin out mucus and reduce congestion. 2. Doing a neti pot. A neti pot is a small device that can be used to flush out the sinuses. 2. It is a safe and effective way to relieve sinus congestion. 3. Applying a warm compress. Applying a warm compress to the face can help to reduce inflammation and soothe the sinuses. 4. Taking a warm bath or shower. Taking a warm bath or shower can help to loosen mucus and relieve congestion. 5. Using a humidifier. A humidifier can help to increase moisture in the air, which can reduce congestion and provide relief from sinus pressure. Diet and lifestyle changes to improve sinus health. In addition to natural treatments and home remedies, there are several dietary and lifestyle changes you can make to improve your sinus health. These include 1. Eating a healthy, balanced diet. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help to boost your immune system and reduce the risk of sinus infections. 2. Avoiding foods that can trigger allergies. Certain foods can trigger allergies, which can lead to sinus infections. 2. Common triggers include dairy, soy, wheat, eggs, and peanuts. 3. Quitting smoking. Smoking can irritate the sinuses and increase the risk of sinusitis. 3. If you smoke, quitting is the best way to improve your sinus health. 4. Managing stress. Stress can weaken the immune system and make you more susceptible to sinus infections. 4. Try to manage stress with relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Avoiding future sinus infections. In addition to the treatment and lifestyle changes mentioned above, there are several steps you can take to avoid future sinus infections. These include: 1. Washing your hands regularly. Washing your hands with soap and water is the best way to prevent the spread of germs and viruses. 2. Avoiding contact with people who are sick. If someone in your household is sick, try to avoid contact with them as much as possible. 3. Keeping your sinuses clean. Using a neti pot or nasal irrigation can help to keep your sinuses clean and reduce the risk of infection. 4. Avoiding air pollutants. Air pollutants such as smoke, dust, and pollen can irritate the sinuses and increase the risk of infection. Conclusion: sinus infections can take a toll on your energy, productivity, and overall well-being. Fortunately, with the right treatment and lifestyle changes, you can quickly and effectively treat a sinus infection and get back to feeling your best. In this comprehensive guide, we outlined the best ways to naturally treat a sinus infection and provide practical tips for avoiding future infections. We discussed the different types of sinus infections and their symptoms, the most effective natural treatments and remedies, and the lifestyle changes you can make to improve your sinus health. By following the advice outlined in this guide, you can get rid of your sinus infection and stay healthy.